Good morning, children. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Children,
Fine, ma'am.
suppose if I asked how you are coming to school. Suppose our schools are reopened. We have to come to our school. Then how you are coming to school? What is the way? What is the way? Can you tell the way how you are coming to school means? If I asked you to draw the way on a paper, how you will do? Yeah, somewhere I am getting sounds, ma. Please mute yourself. Draw the way to your home to school. Can you? How?
Yes, ma'am, I can do.
Yes, how?
Because I know the school. I will go. I am going every day for playing there.
Yeah. So here is our school. Okay. And your house is here. Yes. So this is your house. Here our school is there, and that is UH main gate. Then how you will express, how you will say, what is the way? I have to go straight and take left. There I will get UH gate. We will go inside. Okay, go straight and again our school we have to draw here. Okay, so this is again turn left. Then we will get our school. Okay, that means what we are doing? We are drawing some route map. Route map on a paper or on a blackboard. Okay, so this is called mapping. This is called mapping. So what is meant by mapping, ma? What is meant by mapping? A visual representation of an entire area or a part of an area. So visual representation means nothing but drawing. So what we are doing? We are drawing some directions there. We are drawing some directions. Diagrammatic representation. This is called a diagrammatic representation. Is called a map. So here today we are going to start a new chapter which is nothing but mapping your way. Mapping your way. So this is chapter 8. Huh? Mapping your way. Okay. So suppose, did you see any map? Ma? Did you see any map? Anyone see map?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Daily you are seeing.
Google Map.
Yes, very good. Google Map. Suppose if you want to go somewhere, we don't know the destination, where it is, the route, we don't know. Then what we are going to do? Just we will take our mobile, go to Google Map, search the destination and keep the way. So by saying that we will go. Okay. So Google Maps. Very good, ma'am. Now here in this, so Ashi is going to India Gate to see the Republic Day parade with the other children of her school. As the children settle down, they hear something about India Gate on the loudspeaker. To the right of the president is the India Gate. This was built in memory of the Indian soldiers who died in the First World War. So, do you know what is the history of India Gate, ma? Do you know what is the history of India Gate? So, India Gate When you are seeing Google map, will you see the route like this only now? So where is our destination? The red mark will be our destination. So here is the India Gate. Okay. So where it is ma? Here is India Gate. See here. Are you able to see all of you? This is India Gate. Okay. So let us see what history of our India Gate. Are you able to see the map ma here?
No, ma'am.
We cannot see,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Wait, I will share it. Yeah. Is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So where is India Gate? This is the red mark here. This is India Gate. Okay. See here. So I am zooming it. Okay. Yeah. See, this is the location. This is the map. How we can see this? If you open the Google map. Okay. Everything is visible there. Now, so let us see the history of India Gate. So India Gate was built in memory of more than 80,000 soldiers killed in First World War and the Third Anglo-Afghan War. Okay, so this India Gate was built in the form of hexagonal. It was sited at hexagonal place with diameter of 635 meters and an area of 36,000 square meters of Rajpath Marg, Delhi. Okay, so when you see this, 1 minute. So once see the India Gate, ma, here it is. Okay, so when you see this is placed in hexagonal. This is, observe this ma, outer of this India Gate, it is hexagonal. Okay, see here, hexagon, it is an hexagon. Inside the hexagon it was built. Okay, see here, see the, I will show 1 minute. Yeah, this one, observe this ma. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this is
Yes.
hexagon. Okay, then it was built in a hexagonal place. Okay, now let us come to our class. Yes. So see here, look Aditi, this is India Gate. So students are talking. Sir told us that Rashtrapati Bhavan faces India Gate. So that last building on our right side must be Rashtrapati Bhavan. So there are lots of people sitting on the roadsides of Rajpath, the main road along which the parade passes. Children are talking about the buildings they can see around them. So here one map is given for us. So here is a photograph taken from a helicopter. You can see Rajpath, the road which joins India Gate to Rashtrapati Bhavan is called Rajpath. Mark where on Rajpath will Aditi be. So once if you observe this map as well as the photograph. So this is the map for the photograph. So here Rashtrapati Bhavan. Where you can see Rashtrapati Bhavan here. See here, this is the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Okay. Now, so this is the Rajpath. So you can see the sides. Here Vijaya Chowk is there, Rafi Marg, Janpath. So some road names are given for us. Let us find out. Okay. So let us say first Vijay Chowk. So here it is Vijay Chowk. Next Rafi Marg. So this is Rafi Marg. Next Janpath. Next is Tilak Marg. Here you can see it is Tilak Marg. Okay. Next. Next is Kasturiba Gandhi Marg. this side. Observe the map and photograph. Observe the map and photograph clearly. Okay. Now, Dr. Zakir Hussain Road. This here. Okay. Next, Man Singh Road. Finally, Rajpath. This is Rajpath Road, which is joining India Gate and Rashtrapati Bhavan. So this road is called Rajpath Road. Okay. So while observing the map, we can identify the roads in the photograph. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I show the first picture again, once again? See here. See, this is the picture taken from helicopter. Okay. And we can see the Rajpath. What is meant by Rajpath? The road which joins the India Gate to Rashtrapati Bhavan. The road which joins to India Gate to Rashtrapati Bhavan. So this is the map given for us. This is the map given for us. This is the actual picture. For this picture, we have given a map. So by seeing the map, we need to identify the roads here. Okay. So let us see first one, Vijay Chowk, where it is here. This is the Rashtrapati Bhavan. So first one is Vijay Chowk. So this is Vijay Chowk. Next, we are having Rafi Marg. Both sides we are having Rafi Marg. Next one, Janpath. Next one, this is in front of India Gate. Here we have India Gate. In front of India Gate, we are having Man Singh Road. Next, Kasturiba Gandhi Marg, Tilak Marg, and Dr. Zakir Hussain Road. Okay, then where is India Gate? Here we have. This is India Gate. Okay, is it clear to all of you, the map? Now
Yes,
let us answer some questions. Match the map and the photo. Have you seen a map in of a city? So obviously, just now you said that you saw it in Google Maps. Okay. Now look at map 1. Match it with the photo and find out where India Gate. So once observe this map. Photo is here, map is here. So we have to draw India Gate here. It is already given for us here. Okay, see here. So here it is India Gate. So in this hexagonal we have, in the hexagonal place we have India Gate. So here at the star mark we are having India Gate. Okay. Now look for the National Stadium in the map. So here it is the National Stadium. Where is the National Stadium? Observe the map clearly. Observe the map clearly here. So where is the National Stadium? Here it is in pink color. Okay. So can you see this in photo? Observe the photo and map both.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the National Stadium? See properly.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Observe here.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We cannot see. We can see in map, but we cannot see in photo. See here it is India Gate. Next, the rectangular place here. This one is that one. Okay. Next. See here. So here these are the roads what we have. So this is the road. And this is National Stadium. Here we have. Can you see this in a photo? National Stadium?
No, ma'am.
We cannot see National Stadium in photograph. So, the National Stadium is seen in map 1, but we cannot see in photo. Okay? Pratima, sit right. Next. So, if we zoom to look more closely at one part of the map, it looks like this. The map looks like this. So observe the roads clearly, ma. So this is the India Gate. This is Man Singh Road. This is Shahilan Road, Pandra Road. Here we have Children's Park. This is Zakir Hussain Marg. And this is Tilak Marg. Next, Kasturiba Gandhi Marg, Ashoka Road, Janpath. This is Rajpath, straight to India Gate. Now here we have some questions. Let us see the questions. If you are walking on the Rajpath, that means here. Walking on the Rajpath means where we are walking, ma? See here, this way. When you are walking on the Rajpath, then after India Gate, on which side would Children's Park be? On which side Children's Park be? So you are coming like this, ma. You are walking towards India Gate like this. You are coming. Then Children's Park will be on which place, ma? Right or left?
Left.
On which side?
Left, ma'am.
You are
Right,
coming.
ma'am.
You are coming on. You are walking on Rajpath.
Ma'am, right.
Towards India Gate. Right. Very
Right
good.
side.
Ma. So, see here. From here you are coming like this. So, Children's Park will be on your right side. On your right side. So, when you are coming from here, Rajpath to India Gate, Children's Park will be on your right side. Okay. Next. Here one more question we have. Observe that, ma'am. Which of these roads make the biggest angle between them? Which of these roads make the biggest angle between them? 3 roads are given for us, ma. Man Singh Road means here it is. And Shahjahan Road. So where it is? Here Man Singh Road, Shahjahan Road. So one angle is given for us. Mark it for us. Check it with a blue mark. Okay. Next, Ashoka Road and Man Singh Road. Here Ashoka Road is there and here Man Singh Road is there. Another angle is measured for us. And Janpath and Rajpath. Janpath and Rajpath. In these 3, which is making biggest angle? Which is making biggest angle?
Rajpath, ma'am. Janpath, ma'am.
See properly.
Ma'am.
Janpath,
Ma'am, Ashok
Janpath.
Road.
Janpath,
Ashok
ma'am.
Road and Man Singh Road.
See here. It is like this. So I am drawing rough.
Ma'am, Man Singh Road.
I am doing
Ashok Road. B1.
Okay, so this is Man Singh Road and this is Ashoka Road. And
Ma'am, this is the biggest one.
this is Rajpath. So the angles are like this given for us. See, observe here. Biggest angle means what? Biggest,
Man Singh Road and Ashok Road,
yes,
ma'am.
biggest angle is nothing but obtuse angle. Biggest
Obtuse
angle
angle, ma'am.
is
Choose angle.
biggest angle is nothing but obtuse angle. Here we have right angle. Here acute angle. This is
Acute angle. Here obtuse angle.
both roads are making biggest angle, ma. Man Singh Road and
And
Ashoka Road.
Ashok Road.
Ashoka
Road.
So biggest angle means obtuse angle. Which road is making more angle? Which road
Man
is
Singh Road and
angle? Which
Ma'am,
road is
Man Singh Road and
biggest
Ashoka
angle?
Road.
Yes, Ashoka Road and Man Singh.
Man Singh Road.
So see properly and then answer it. Okay, ma? See here. So Ashoka Road and Man Singh Road. Then what is the answer here? What is the answer here? B is
Acute
the,
and obtuse, ma'am.
yes, Ashoka Road and Mansingh Road makes biggest angle. Makes biggest angle. Now, here I am asking one more question. Which two roads are making acute angle? Small angle. Which two roads are making small angle between them? See the map.
Janpat and Rajpath Road.
Small angle I am asking. Which two roads are making small angle? Smallest angle between them.
Mansingh Road and
Here
Shayan
three
Road.
roads we have, ma. Here three roads we have. Mansingh Road and
Mansingh Road.
Shahjahan Road. Mansingh Road and Shahjahan Road. So, here one angle you have. Rajpath and Janpath, one angle you have. And Mansingh Road and Ashok Road, one angle is there. So, we know that Mansingh Road and Ashoka Road are making biggest angle.
Biggest
They
angle.
are making smallest angle.
Mansingh Road and Shahjahan Road.
Good.
Shahjahan Road.
And Shahjahan Road are making smallest angle. It is nothing but acute angle. This is acute
Acute
angle.
angle.
Which two roads are making right angle?
Janpat Road and Rajasthan Road.
Yes, ma. Very good. So here our question is, which of the above pair of roads cut at right angles? Janpat Road and Rajpath Road.
Rajpath Road.
Janpat Road and Rajpath Road. Very good, ma. Yes, ma. What is there in front of you?
Phone.
And window.
What is there right of
Phone
you?
and chair. Ma'am, door.
Side.
Clock.
Your right
Ma'am, curtain, ma'am.
curtain. What is there in your left side?
Wall, ma'am. And teddy bear and computer table.
Teddy bear.
Picture is hanging.
What is there in your back?
Chair. And sofa. Wall, ma'am. Wi-Fi connection and chair.
Chair, switchboard, calendar. Okay.
Wi-Fi connection and chair.
Let us do one activity. All of you stand up. All of you stand up. Stand, all of you. All your videos must be on, ma.
Okay.
All your videos must be on. Joy, on your video. Yeah, all of you stand up. Satvik, get down from the bed. Yeah, now move 2 steps to your right. Move 2 steps to your right. To your right. Okay? Your right hand side. Where is your right hand, Satvik? He is confused. Nana, that is your left, I think so. Your right. Satvik, get down from the bed. Yeah. Move 2 steps front. 2 steps front. Satvik, get down from the bed, ma. Bed means kindak digu. Next, move 3 steps to your left. All of you stand up and do it. Move 3 steps to your left. Very good. Abhi, if he goes to 1 step, he will go to the cupboard. I think so. Next, move 2 steps backward. Move 2 steps backward. Very good, Lina. Yes. So Ojas were also done nicely. Everybody done nicely. Very good, ma. But some students, they did not on their videos. Okay, fine. And now, so we done it left, right, front, back. Okay. So no, do you know the directions? Where is the east in your home? West, north, south?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know the directions?
Yes, ma'am.
Surely?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
On my
Go to your south. 5 steps south. Move 5 steps towards south. Move 5 steps towards south. Move 2 steps toward west. Move 2 steps toward west. West you have to move. Yes, Riza, very good. Now move 3 steps to north. Now move 3 steps to east. 3 steps to east. Laina is doing exercise also along with moving. Okay, fine. Very good, ma. Yeah, come to your seats and sit down. Very good. Excellent. Yeah, did you remember in third class, I think so, we done an activity. I kept some objects in your desks and I asked you to go there and get the things. Did you remember? I think so. Who
Yes,
played
ma'am.
on that time? They remember, I think so.
Yes, ma'am.
That which is nothing but mapping. So our directions, using directions. So we need to find out where it is. Okay. So here also we can see the directions. In the map also we can see the directions. Actually, see here. So this is the compass. You think so? This is the compass. Here, this is for my house. This is north. This is south. Okay. This side east, west. So this is the compass mark. Like this we have to. North opposite always south. East opposite always west.
West.
When north comes here, right of the north always east.
East.
Right of the north always
West.
okay, you should remember that like this. So like this, you have to write the compass. When I suppose I asked, so just I have given like this. Complete the compass. You have to write the other directions. Where you have to write the other directions? So here I am writing like this is.
Ma'am, down is south.
Yes, this is.
No, ma'am.
This is wrong. So you have to remember it carefully.
Ma'am, down south, east
South.
is the left, west is
Here
West
is
is
the east,
left,
West
west,
is
right.
west. This is the compass.
Right,
This is
left.
the compass. So using this compass, we can find the things or we can draw the map also. So suppose I asked you to, so this is the way I told you now. At the first we done it, north, east, south, west. So here is our school. This is the road we have. Here is your house. Now using directions. Can you say the way?
Ma'am, first we
have to go
ma'am,
west.
first go to straight.
North, next east,
Straight to west.
north,
Go to
next west,
Ma'am,
next north,
to east. North.
Ma'am,
North to north.
north,
West. West straight
next
to
west,
west.
turn to west.
North.
north,
North.
Next turn to north.
West.
west,
West.
West.
South.
south,
From south.
West.
Down south.
West.
west,
Go straight to west. Go straight right to west. So if you don't have compass, and you don't know the directions, how you will say? How you will say, ma?
And the right side is east, left side is west, our up is north, our down is
right and left.
south.
Okay, so what is our right hand? Where is our left hand? So many is having confusion in that. Okay, isn't it? Do you have confusion in your right and left? Just now Satvik he got confused.
No, teacher, no.
He asked to go.
No, ma'am.
We
I
don't
know
have
this
confusion.
technique. Ma'am, I know this technique you teach in
Yes,
third class, I think so.
Third class, I remember. Okay, so when you keep your hand like this, if you get L,
L means left.
L, that
L
is
means
your left hand. This is not L, ma, reverse L this is, isn't it?
yes, ma'am.
Excuse me. When you can see L, okay, when you trace your hand, if you see L there, that is your left hand.
Left, ma'am. Left hand.
Left hand. See here clearly. See, keep your both, no need to drama. So keep your both hands here like this. How you will write capital? How you will write capital L? Like this or like this? Capital L. If I ask you to write L.
Ma'am, this hand. Left hand.
Left hand.
It's not.
Yes. So if you are getting confusion, what is your right, what is your left? Keep your both hands like this. So where you are getting L, capital L, on which hand you are getting capital L?
Left hand, ma'am.
So that is your left hand, isn't it? That, not that, Sharanya. At first what you showed, that is correct. Yes. My right is your left is my right. Why? Because I stand before you, we are opposite side. Okay. We both are opposite side. So it will be reverse. So when you see, this is
Ma'am,
L.
this is L. This is left.
This is L, not this is L. This is reversal. It is the reflection. So when you keep your both hands like this, where you can see capital L, that is your left hand. So that means that is your left side. That is your left side. Isn't it clearly? Did you understand?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now I will ask you, what is there in your right hand side? Don't say wall.
Book, ma'am.
Ma'am, stool. Ma'am, cupboard and stool. Cupboard and stool.
Ma'am, books.
Ma'am,
East. What is there? What object is there in your east?
East.
my mother is
East. Ma'am.
Chair, ma'am. Book, ma'am. Book, ma'am.
Ask your parents about the directions today. Find out where is east, where is west. Okay, and take a paper or in your math notebook like this. So I told you, for my house, I am standing like this now. For me, where is the east? For me, this is north side. So I face north side and my back is at south and my right hand is at west and my left hand is at east. Okay. So like this, you have to draw the directions either in your classwork or on a white paper. Draw a plus mark first. This is the compass. Okay. North, south, east, west. So what you are facing to me now, that side what it is coming. Okay, you are facing me. So that is which direction? You have to find it out from your parents, draw it and keep it with you. Tomorrow we are going to do some activities on the directions. Isn't it?
Ma'am.
Yeah, to all of you?
Tomorrow we don't have math
Ma'am,
class.
tomorrow we didn't have a class. Tomorrow is parent-teacher meeting.
Tomorrow means our next class, ma. Very smart, like these things. Okay, you are very smart like these things, but not in studies. When teacher is giving work, we immediately have to submit. But you are not doing that. You are taking lot of time.
Ma'am, today you have to
Ma'am,
write it.
that time only, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sending on time. Math holiday homework also.
Very nicely, but so many they are not doing it properly, and even they are not turning up also. When I message, when I called, even they are not doing the work. So don't do that. All of you try to complete the work properly. Okay. Now let us take me the attendance. Thank you, children.
Thank you.
Understand about the mapping and directions. We will continue in the next class. Have a nice day.
Attendance.
Thank you.